much for clicking to watch this video. My name is Regina if you're new here. Karibu sana. So as you can see, I have a makeover. My bathroom door, let me show you. Pole. I've not painted my bathroom door. Nikihamia hapa ilikuwa ipaintiwe. So the guy who was supposed to come and paint na kumalizia hajawahi kuja. 6 months later, we are still waiting, and I got tired following up na mwenye, so I decided, you know what, I'm going to do it myself. So I have that area. Also, I don't know if you can see, this is where I do my laundry. So I'm going to also at least refresh the area, paint the door. I'm thinking of painting it black, but I don't decide. So yeah, so I have the door. Uko juu ni cables, sijamaliza, but that's what's up. And let me show you what. So the wooden box is where I put my soaps, bags, hizo vitu zote za kufua ama za kuosha. Then hapo juu I have an old mirror frame that the mirror will break, so I keep that. And also the door. So first you're going to clear the space, then we start with the makeover. I've already painted koti ya kwanza kwa what na kwa hii mlango. I'm still undecided kama ni paint black yote ama kwa hizi spaces I do black only. So let's hope by tomorrow nitakuwa nimepata a good solution and what I've decided to go with. So far so good. So I don't have any other brush remaining. That's why nimeacha project because brush zangu zote zimevunjika. Yeah, that's the problem of recycling brushes. So see you nikirudi. Since I did not have a theme color for this area, I went in with red ruby mixed with black and a drop of white to just create a color that I'm using to paint a wall pattern with it. At first I was really sure that I was going to nail those lines without even first drawing, but it turns out I really have crooked hands and I can't do straight lines. It's official, I just can't do straight lines, and my eyes are not that perfect. So I decided to just go in and draw the lines first before I paint. The good thing is with the drawing is that you can erase it. It's so easy other than going with the paint. If I don't like the way the lines are or I don't like the way the pattern is, I can go back and erase it and redo. But if you do the painting first, it's so hard to rectify any small mistake. Before I could finalize the pattern, I decided first to put a divider because I was not going to do the pattern the whole session, like the whole wall. So I went in with my tape measure and measured the length of my machine because I didn't want the line to be covered with my machine when I'm trying to do the. I feel like I should continue hii mbao niweke pale kwa mlango. I don't know. Yeah, but so far so good. That is done. So ikauke kidogo, then I do the second coat, then we call it a day. Ooh, look at that. If you have not watched this Mirror DIY that I did a couple days ago, please go and do so. And if you have watched this video up to this far and you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe like, comment. Those likes and comment really help my channel to grow, and also they keep me motivated to do what I do. So go, remember to subscribe, like, comment, just leave a comment. Hata kama ni emoji, just say hi, you know.
Guess you never really cared because you said your parents never gave you hugs, and as a child you were never loved. You made me love so hard, but then you threw it away. You like to open skies and then you blame it on me. You're someone I could never be with. You joke about my flaws and weaknesses. What you love so hard, and then just throw it away. You opened up my heart and just to close it on me. Don't blame it on me.
If I tell you my camera is not giving justice to this space, I will not be lying. Thank you so much for watching this video, and up to this far, liking it, sharing, and also commenting. So if you have not yet subscribed, remember to do that before you leave, so that I may be able to see you in the next year. Bye.